about to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for returning if you've been here before, and if you're new here, welcome as well. My name is Shayna. Something that I want to do here on this channel this year is like a little Thrifty Thursday series. I love going bargain hunting and going to like the Goodwills and Salvation Armies, but it's something that I have not done in years. This past week, I went over a week without being able to walk. I had a leg injury, and the first day out of the house, aside from appointments and Hobby Lobby, maybe I'll talk about that in another video, the first time we went out of the house where I was actually walking, besides, like I said, having like to go to an appointment, it was actually Friday evening, and I was just a little stir crazy, and I asked my husband if we can go to a Goodwill. I think the last time that I actually went was like in 2010. So it's been a very long time. So I figured this is the year. I'm going to allow myself to go and have some fun, search for some deals and bargains, and just see what I can find thrifting. We do donate everything that we no longer use. I've always donated and given the children's clothing to either a loved one that could use it, or we've donated like to the Goodwill or the Salvation Army. I've just not gone shopping for myself or like our family at a Goodwill or anything for like ever, for years. No reason why, it just hasn't happened. I love it. I think it is just, it's fun to find things that are no longer needed by someone else, and you could like breathe life into it once again, give it purpose, you know, be resourceful. So I recently went to a Goodwill. I was specifically hoping to find a specific item. Actually, yesterday I was watching a video and the woman was talking about the law of attraction, and I don't know too much about that, but she said something from a faith-based standpoint, like point of view. I don't remember her exact words, but she basically said that if you truly desire something, that it's because God like planted that into your heart. So basically that it will come to fruition, like that it will happen. So I don't know if that makes sense, but it just had me thinking for a moment. So when I heard her talking about the law of attraction and saying that, I immediately was thinking about Goodwill. I'm like, yes, I just went to the Goodwill. There was something I wanted, like something specific that I wanted. I kid you not, as soon as we went in, I passed the clothing area, I went directly to the back of the store. You could see all their appliances, so even though I've never been in this Goodwill before, you know, you could see the appliances. My eyes were immediately drawn right to the bottom, and I found the exact item that I was looking for, and it was just a really fun experience. I have found and purchased a food saver. So I've always wanted a food saver, and I'm so excited that I found one. I have not yet tested it out. Today has been a very busy day. I need to start making dinner soon. So I was thinking to try to open this up and try it out today. I don't know if I'm going to have a chance, but whenever I do try it out to see if it works, I will take a few clips and insert the footage to share it with you guys, or I'll just make like another video. But yes, I found a food saver. I've been wanting one for a very long time. And I had told my husband the things that I was specifically going to be searching for, the things that I wanted to look for, were a food saver, the mason jar food attachment, and a pizza stone. I found a pizza stone, but it had stains on it. But back to the food saver, the one that I found, it did come with a mason jar attachment. So it was just meant to be. And I feel really cheesy, and I know I'm so excited over an appliance, but it was just the moment, like I guess you just had to be there. Like I told my husband this is what I wanted. I went in, I found it instantly, and I have heard, like I very well know that food savers go so fast. Like they do not stay on the shelves. Yes, it's older, maybe. Like I don't know what model or what year this is. To be honest, it looks brand new. And so I'm just really grateful that I was able to find this. So I'm rambling, but to get to the price, it was marked $19.99. And since it was my first time at this Goodwill, the young man at the register, he asked me if I had like their store card. I'm like, no. And I was a little bit hesitant because I didn't know that that was a thing, but how would I? I haven't been to the Goodwill in a long time. So he offered me a store card and he told me that it would give me 25% off. So this food saver cost me $15. They did say that if it doesn't work that I can return it, but I really hope that it is functioning and that it works, and I'm so excited to use it. So for today's Thrifty Thursday video, I share with you a food saver. Do you like going thrifting? Do you like going to yard sales or the Goodwill or the Salvation Army? Let me know where your favorite places are. Like, where are your favorite places to go when you're on the hunt for a bargain? So as I said, I don't have a set schedule for these Thrifty Thursday videos, but it is something that I'm going to do this year. So I might upload 3 in 1 month, and then I may only upload like 1 every month and a half for the rest of the year. I'm not sure, we will see. I'm just so excited to have found this food saver, and I'm very grateful that I did. And I thought I would show you guys the food saver as I'm opening it.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about
I am going to search this model online, and I'm sure that I'll be able to find the release year for this model, but nonetheless, it is looking like it is in great shape. It came with this here, made in Taiwan sticker still on the bottom. I'm not sure what this one here is for, but again, I've never had a food saver. I've just really heard of them. So I'm excited to learn how to use this and give it a try. But yeah, look, the stickers, it says peel off and it hasn't been. Everything is completely, absolutely clean. Looks brand new. Wow, that's incredible. I honestly didn't realize it was brand new. I thought maybe they had repackaged, but this all seems like it's in its original packaging. I'm assuming. I think if Goodwill had like received this in a donation box, they probably would have just like taped this to the food saver or put it all in like a big bag or a box. But yeah, this is the original packaging. Look at that. Incredible. So brand new food saver for $15. This here is from us. My son, I cut a popsicle for him and I set it on the table, and this was on the chair, and the top of the popsicle that, you know, there's like a little chunk remaining in the plastic was on the table, and it melted and it dripped down off the table and landed on here. So that is from me. I just need to clean that off. I will sanitize the whole food saver before we use it, but incredible. I'm just so excited. I'm just so thankful to have found that. So I'm looking forward to this Thrifty Thursday series. Let me know if you are as well. I do have a few things that I'm already thinking about that I'm going to be searching for, you know, during the upcoming visits to the Goodwill or yard sales or wherever it may be. Let me know where your favorite place is to go when you're searching for good deals and bargains. But until next time, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.